So over here, you can see that I got some structured tasks right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then print this out. Let's say, for example, or save it out as a PDF file. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the three dot button on the browser and then simply choose print right here when the page is opened, and you'll be able to see this right here. So you can simply go ahead and choose save as PDF or choose a printer of your choice right here. You can go ahead and choose the paper size as you want right here, just like this, as you can see over here to get the task out right here. So this is what you have. You can even add in header and footer if you want to right here. So if I were to go ahead and click on save right here, I can simply go ahead and save it out as a PDF file. And then you can go around over here just like this. And then let me just go around over here and then sort it out by date modified. Just like this, and you can see the structured web right here. Let me just go ahead and then open this out right here, and you can see the PDF file right here. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and select a range right here, just like this, and then go around over here onto print, just like this, and then this is what you have. And you can go ahead and select selection only, and you'll only be able to see those selection part as well, and you can go ahead and save it to PDF, but you don't get the graphics, as you can see right here. So just deselecting the selection only is much more better. And that is how you can go ahead and then export tasks as PDF or even print it out just like this as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.